It was really hot today, but eventually birds came back. Next to the bird feeder on the old vanity, I filled the sink full of water, thinking that it would give the birds something to drink. And I also filled the bird feeder with bird seed. Now the birds are enjoying the food. It was hard to tell if they actually plan to drink any of the water I set out. The birds are also coming in for landing using the birdseed filled bird feeder, bird bath. It looks like it's just doves today. Yes. Watch them is very enjoyable and is one of the most relaxing things a person can do on a hot day like today. Stay inside and watch from the window.